Ta-da! What's up, guys? I'm back. Alright, check it out! So before I show you the brand new PnwRcMadness Electronics Caddy, I wanted to share with you. Check them out, guys. Brand new 1/5 scale tires. I will be doing a review on these as well soon. So, let's get back to the PnwRcMadness Electronics Caddy. Alright, so I don't want to make this a super long, boring video, guys, so check it out. We're just going to show you really quick, explain to you what is going on. We're going to go ahead and install a different motor while I wait for a sensor cable, or I have to install a new motor because I might have a bad sensor board in the motor itself. But here it is. I want to show you guys it fits in between the XRT RX box and this big old monstrous Castle 2028. All right, check it out, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and install this brand new Hobby Wing 5892. Check it out. Comes with 8mm bullets. Super awesome. Super awesome, huge fat can. This is the 6,000 watt 1200 kV. So let's go ahead, take out the old Castle motor, and I will show you a little more about the ESC Caddy. There it is, guys. Check it out. Cleans up your truck. Super nice. Your wires are wrapped right around underneath the tray. Comes right into the back of the box. Everything plugs in nice and neat inside the RX box. We're gonna go ahead and install this motor. We're gonna go ahead and get it in the dirt, test it out. And then one thing I wanted to mention to you guys is these new pins by GPM. I sell these on my website as well, www.PnwRcMadness.com. They go in the whole truck. You put them in the suspension parts. The only part it doesn't fit on in the XRT is the rear upper arm. You got 4 for the shocks, and then you got them for the ends of the suspension and the inner suspension as well. I have a video on YouTube, shows that install, and also the belt drive as well. Guys, you can find that all on my website, but let's go ahead, get this mounted up, and take her for a rip.
Go. Woo! It's got some power, and we got it geared 25-30. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was close. Whoa! That was weird, guys. Weird, guys. What happened? Oh no! It just like braked in the air. There goes my mount. What happened? All right, we're gonna take the body off and see before we even give it any throttle. Oh, it's like a rock got stuck in there, guys. That is crazy. That's never happened before, so definitely need to get a cover on here. Wow, I've never had that happen. So check out, there's the new belt, guys. Let's try it again. All right, choppers. Oh, I think it's slipping. Let's see, guys, that was a hit. Oh, it might be slipping a little bit. Yep, I didn't bring any wrenches either, guys. So the belt stretched. That's the first initial stretch. I don't think it's slipping on the pulley. Nope. Let's see here. No, sir. It's definitely got a lot of cog, guys. So I'm finding that with the motor. It's doing a lot of cogging, so I was definitely happy with the non-censored TP motor, but let's keep ripping it. Gosh, this thing is just getting brutally attacked out here. All right. Belt's loose, guys, so we're just gonna keep ripping it. Like the motor, it just got a little bit of a cog. All right, we're gonna go for the double, guys, while we're here. Why not? Here we go. Let's do it. Woo! Landed it. And I cleared it. Oh, we broke it, guys. Oh no. Oh, well. Belt stretched. Wow. Just gonna have to end the video. Not sure what we broke. Motor's definitely got a lot of power, guys, and let's test. Look at that cog. Man, I don't like the cog at all. Let's see what we got. Let's see. All right, look at that. So XLX2 trays, baby, yeah. Motor's a little warm, it's not hot, not yet. We broke something up here in the front. Let's see how those pins held up. So we'll take her home, get her on the bench. Oh, we broke the steering rack. There we are. All right, guys, well, that's gonna have to end the video for the day. We broke the steering rack on the XRT, so we're gonna go ahead and go home, put it on the bench. All right, guys, so we just got back and we got the XRT nice and clean with the PnwRc Move Clean and Move Slick. Check it out. Got everything looking nice and pretty. Guys, we broke the stock bell crank, so stay tuned. I just wanted to show you this before I end the video. We're gonna go ahead and make a video on the GPM 7075 aluminum bell crank. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe, leave me a comment below, and I will talk to you guys later.